Programa frame screws consists of an externally threaded sleeve with an internal steel screw, which can rotate freely in the sleeve. When mounted, the frame screw's sleeve sits in the frame and the screw in the wall. By screwing the sleeve, but not the screw, you can adjust the frame inwards or outwards. Programa frame screws can be installed without fixed blocks and provides a fully adjustable and removable mounting without damaging the frame or base. Programa frame screws are used for installing window and door frames in walls made of wood, concrete, brick, lightweight aggregate, and concrete. Place the frame in the opening. Adjust the frame so that the frame's lower edge hangs horizontally. Insert a frame fixing tool into one of the frame's bottom 14mm holes. Check that the frame is correctly vertical, adjust if not. Insert another frame fixing tool into the same side of the frame, but in the uppermost hole. Repeat the same step on the opposite side of the frame. Remove one of the bottom frame fixing tools on one side of the frame. Fit the frame fitting wrench, KMN, into the screwdriver. Use the fitting side with a hexagonal socket. Fit a frame screw onto the KMN wrench. Center the frame screw in the frame's 14mm hole and screw in the frame screw. Repeat the same step on the same side of the frame, but in the uppermost hole. Flip the KMN tool in order to use the tool's adjustment mode. Adjust the frame's aspect vertically using a spirit level. When you adjust one side of the frame, you know that the opposite side is also perfect. Flip the KMN tool in order to use the tool's adjustment mode. Remove the lowermost frame fixing tool and mount a frame screw. Complete the opposite screw mounting in the remaining holes. Complete the mounting by pressing cover caps into all of the holes.